Hi, we're making Mentaiko Pasta today. Mentaiko is a Japanese delicacy made from pollack roe. It's hard to find it in your local supermarket, but you should be able to find it in an Asian supermarket in North America. Alright, let's start cooking. First, we will prepare the garnish. Cut the seaweed as thin as you can with scissors. And next, we will mince basil. Before you mince it, make sure to remove the root from the basil leaves. We'll now extract Mentaiko eggs. Lightly cut the top of the skin and use the backside of the knife to extract the eggs from the skin. You can use butter knife or regular cooking knife. Next, we will prepare the pasta sauce. First, we will melt the butter. Here, we put in a bowl and place it on top of the boiling water. For simplicity, you can also microwave it. Once the butter is melted, mix it well with Mentaiko using spatula. Boil the water in a pot, and once it's boiled, add salt. Typically, you want to add salt to the point it feels slightly saltier than soup you typically make at home. Then place the pasta into the boiling water and wait till it's cooked. You want to boil for 1 minute less than the suggested boil time. And check if it's cooked before you take the pasta out. Once the pasta is cooked and before you take the pasta out, add 2.5 teaspoons of pasta water into the Mentaiko mix. It's very important to mix them well so that the Mentaiko mix becomes creamy like this. Then take the pasta into the Mentaiko mix. Add minced basil, add a bit of white or black pepper, and mix them well. Lastly, place the pasta onto a plate and add seaweed and basil leaves. Look, that was very easy and looks delicious.